Hello everyone, so first we are going to take hair from the top and then we are going to secure it with the rubber band, then dividing it into half, and then we are going to make another ponytail by taking some hair at one side. Then we're gonna start joining both of them together like this from both the sides till you get this design done. Then you can see your hairstyle looks so good and beautiful. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, dividing it into three, taking the two sides and then folding it upon the one and joining these beautiful rubber bands on it and finally securing it with the final rubber band. Next we are going to take a ponytail at one side and then taking the second side we are going to divide it into 4 ponytails in total. After that we're going to start joining them together by dividing them by 2 and joining the sides with each other. Then we are going to further join into one, then joining it to the ponytail at the other side and folding it into a bun at last. Next we are going to take some hair from the top first, then tying a rubber band on them, then start taking the same hair along with the ponytail. We're going to tie it by using some more rubber bands, and then we are going to take the hair from the back and start making a simple braid by dividing the hair into 3 parts, then taking all of the hair from that side, making a braid and then folding it into half.